Hi, this is Emil with WTI, and this right here is my Giro MIPS biking helmet. It is light, it feels comfortable when I'm wearing it. Through these air vents or air channels, I can feel the breeze coming in when I am riding my bike. That allows me to stay fresher and sweat a little less. We all know that sweating less when you are doing exercise is always welcome, because when you sweat a lot, there goes your hydration and energy levels. It has mold pads on the inside surface of a helmet, which allows it to sit more comfortably on my head. This is why I say it feels comfortable when I am wearing it. We know that bike riding is one of the most complete exercises anybody can take on, and it is lots of fun as well. However, whether you are route biking or mountain biking, there is always the risk of falling. And it doesn't matter how experienced you are, it happens. Luckily, even though I wear my helmet all the time when I am riding my bike, I have never had to actually use it for the intended purpose of protecting my head in a big fall. Nevertheless, I feel much reassured when I am riding my bike thanks to my Giro MIPS helmet. This is Emil with WTI, and this is my point of view.